Bismillah Rahman Rahim. The Islamic Organization for Food Security publish a magazine, Food Security Hub, quarterly on its website, and also distribute among OIC member states, national, regional and international organizations. This magazine basically informs about the activities, best practices related to the food security, and the audience and readers of these magazines are researchers, policymakers, business community and other general stakeholders of the food security. The current issue, Food Security Hub 12th edition, is basically focusing especially for agribiotechnology. In this issue, we have several articles which are reporting best practices of the biotech interventions. The article reports on the regulatory concerns of biotech interventions in the food security, upscaling of plant breeding to genomic selections, the plant growth and disease management through microbiome, the biotech degradation intervention for the pesticides, and the weeks related functional genomics techniques for the food security. It also reports on the gaps in humanitarian assistance in Afghanistan and IOFS food crisis response under the Afghanistan Food Security Program. This also provides information about the IFS activities in the OIC member states related to the food security. The upcoming Food Security Hub is issue 13, which will be reporting on the handling malnutrition through biofortification. It will also report on the organic farming, some technologies to enabling the farmers to work with the environment. There will be article which is reporting global trade on colistin in food animals, which is increasing the antimicrobial resistance. There will be some precision agriculture technologies which will be reported in this issue, which will be helping to adapt to climate change.
Assalamualaikum. I am Amalia from University Putra Malaysia, and I want to share with you our exciting work on microbiome technologies for improving plant growth and also disease resistance. Well, as plants have these amazing communities of microorganisms called microbiomes that protect them from pests and diseases. In our lab, we are creating synthetic microbial communities called syncoms that mimic natural microbiomes. So these syncoms consist of multiple microbial species working together to help plants. In order to find the best syncoms, we combine reductionist and holistic approach, and we use advanced technologies like metatranscriptomics, genomics, and machine learning to optimize our syncom selection and design. We also follow the repetitive design, build, test, learn framework to continuously improve our syncoms. Finally, to address storage stability and scalability challenges, we use metabolic modeling and implantar stability assessment. Well, to succeed, I personally believe this requires collaboration, adequate investments, adequate training of our team members to make the world greener and safer for everyone. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Qanat Yilmekbayev, head of the Molecular Genetics and Genomics Lab at the Jetsi University, Taldyqorghan, Kazakhstan. My lab mainly focuses on enhancing the crop resilience and plasticity to biotic and abiotic stress factors. For that, we use modern molecular DNA tools. In addition, our sophisticated crossing scheme that are aimed at causing the fixed alleles in Kazakh bred wheat or any other crops for specific adaptation to become detectable. Once these alleles are detectable in a segregating population that are obtained from the cross of varieties adapted to different environments, we test their economic and agronomic benefits in an isogenic background. To deliver and trace those hypothetical effective alleles in different varieties, we use high-throughput competitive allele-specific PCR. We believe that our crossing scheme should affect on Kazakh plant breeders thinking about using more sophisticated plant breeding approaches in the short term. In a longer term, however, we believe that our approach should have a direct impact on combining the traditional plant breeding methods in Kazakhstan with the genomic selection. Thank you very much.